Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive money from abroad using Maya in 2025. So step 1, open the Maya app and go to More, then select Remittance. Step 2, choose a partner service like Western Union, MoneyGram, or RIA. These are supported inside Maya for receiving international transfers. Step 3, enter the tracking number or reference code sent by the sender. Double-check the sender's name and country of origin. Step 4. Submit the details and wait for confirmation. Once verified, the funds will be instantly credited to your Maya wallet. Step 5. You can now withdraw to a bank or use the money directly for purchases. It's simple, fast, and all digital. No physical banks transfer needed. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.